Hey, what's going on? It's Vinay here. In this video, I am going to show you two methods to select affiliate offer from Barrier Plus. And I am going to show you the exact step-by-step process that required from you to go from zero all the way till you select an profitable affiliate offer. It's really important that you select right affiliate offer. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to register. It's simple, anyone can do this. After registration, log into your account. After login, you will see the dashboard like this, and you will see the today's offer, yesterday's offer, last 7 days offers, and last 30 days offers. Now, if we want to choose an profitable offer, we need to click here on affiliate and click on offers. Then you will redirect to this page. So now what you are going to be seeing here is bunch of affiliate offers. This is the most important part of the process. Remember to select the right offer. So I am going to guide you through step-by-step process and how to select the right offer instead of so many of them. Alright, this is insane amount of offers right here, and you got to select one of them. First step that you got to do is look at the amount of sales that the offer has. So that going to be our number one criteria for offers. The amount of sales that the offer has got. What sales are? It's quite obvious the amount of products that are being sold. Next thing is conversion rate. Means how many people out of 100 were buying the offer. So here it is 10%, means 10 out of 100 people bought this offer. Next term is visitor value, the most important thing in this whole process. Now this is even more important than the sales that we talking about, and even more important than the conversion rate. I am going to explain why in a bit, but to check this out, what visitor value means is the number of clicks that you are sending to an offer and the amount that you are getting as an affiliate per click. So if someone sends a clicks to this offer, he is going to get $4.53. In the same way, if you send one click to CPA Glide, you are going to get $5.62. Now the visitor value or the EPC has, I would like to call it, which is earnings per click, is directly dependent on the conversion rate and how well the funnel is set up. So move on to the average sale. That means you know how much what's the average value that people has purchased in the whole funnel. So now the next thing that we are looking at is a refund rate, which is the amount of people that have just returned the product. Right, the lesser the refund rate, the better it is, obviously. So now make sure you look at that and just keep in mind that you want your refund rate to be less than 10%. The very last thing here is pulse rate. Here it is not relevant to us because all this shows is which offers are currently hot, which offers are new and making it big. So that's what this shows. So you don't need to even consider this. But as I said, you know, every time you log in, since all of these things are filtered by pulse, you will be seeing the offers that are hot. You know, whenever you need to test new offers and promote affiliate offers, this is the good thing to filter by. It does it automatically, so you don't have to do anything. So in this case, if I have to select an offer, what I would be doing is, now just look at the top 5 offers that are here, or top 10, and I just look at the, as I said, the EPC. I will just directly filter it out based on that, and I would just select the offer with the highest EPC. So now we need an affiliate link. So what you need to do is, you select the offer which has the highest EPC and click on that. You will redirect to this page. Now you can see here it is a request approval. You just click on this request approval button, and when you click on it, it's going to show you request notes. And this is the kind of an important form, because since you have a new account on VarrierPlace and the vendor in this case would not know you, what you would do is, you will just write a few sentences explaining how you are going to be promoting the offer, what kind of traffic you are going to send. In our case, it's going to be like either YouTube organic traffic, or we are going to send email to this traffic, or if you are going to send solo ad traffic, which is good. So all you have to do is just write this is in the notes, and then click on just request offer. So I am just gonna type in what I would usually type to get an offer, and then you just click on the request offer. Now sometimes these guys might just deny your offer. So in this case, what you would want is to first add them on Facebook or on Skype, and just contact them and introduce yourself. Tell them how you are going to promote the offer. The same thing just now you have requested, and this time they will approve you as an affiliate, because they have seen your face on your Facebook profile or whatever, or on your Skype, and thus you get your offer accepted 100% of the time. So that's kind of all that you have to do. Now let us see second method. It is useful for beginners, intermediate and advanced marketers, specifically the one using VarrierPlace. So when we are looking at this, what we want to look at when we talk about picking affiliate offer is, we want to think about doing something like promoting one time and getting paid again and again and again. And we do that by looking for recurring offers, because what we really want to think about here is, we want to think about what we are doing as an affiliate marketer. We all know that as an affiliate marketer, we are trying to help real people with real problems, with real solutions, and those solutions are the affiliate products that we promote. So of course we want that product to work first and foremost, to actually fix the problems that our audience has. But if we want to do that in a way where we only promote it once, meaning we set up a promotion, we get our audience over that promotion, they click on it, they purchase it, but they go inside of a recurring offer such as a membership, then technically we only had to promote that offer one time, and we gonna get paid again and again and again. This is recurring revenue, and really that's what passive income is all about. So how do we find those offers over on VarrierPlace? Let's go back, look at this affiliate offers again. Of course you can type in the offer title here if you know the vendor's name, and you can sort by many things. by vendor name, pulse score, launch date, sales, visitor value. In this filter, you will find the show reoccurring only button. When you click on this, you will find all the reoccurring offers. Now you can start looking at release date, sales conversion rate, value, average sales, and you can start looking at find a good offer to promote. Note, I said a good offer to promote that actually solves real problem for real person in your audience that you can feel good about promoting at the end of the day and getting them in a membership that is going to help them every month with a good vendor that is going to support them and help them with their problem, and usually in this case with Warrior Place that is making money online. I hope you guys like this video. I had fun, so I will be seeing you guys later. Also, if you have any questions, comment below. I will reply as fast as possible. Alright, thanks again. I will be seeing you.